everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today we're going to be taking a look at this piece to our VW case. This is magnesium. So magnesium is naturally a little bit duller of a metal than what you're going to find in like an aluminum or stainless steel. So we're going to take a look at cleaning this up with just a simple glass bead, since it's just a little bit dirty, just needs a simple, general clean and polish, and see how this polishes up in a vapor honing cabinet. Now, something else we're going to talk about is the vapor honing advantage of not destroying the original integrity of your pieces. So we're going to take a look at that as well. Stay tuned for the results and we'll be right back. So we're back with the final result of just the top piece of the case here. As you can see on the front, it did maintain the integrity of the piece very well. You can clearly see the Volkswagen label. Didn't affect that at all. However, this is magnesium, so it's not going to clean up as bright as what maybe an aluminum is or stainless steel is. It's going to be a little bit duller as it is in this fashion, even when you hit it with a glass bead to give it a general cleanup. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.